Chia pudding, the healthy dessert that fights inflammation. Are you tired of dealing with constant inflammation or joint pain? What if I told you that a simple dessert could help with that? Yep, I'm talking about chia pudding. It's not just a tasty treat, but also a powerful tool to fight inflammation. Stick around, because today I'll show you how this delicious dessert can make a big difference in your health. Inflammation is behind so many health problems, whether it's that annoying joint pain, stubborn skin issues, or even heart disease. But what if I told you there's a simple, tasty, and super easy to make dessert that can actually help fight it? That's right, I'm talking about chia pudding. In today's video, we're going to explore the powerful benefits of chia seeds and how they work to reduce inflammation in your body. Plus, I'll walk you through a delicious chia pudding recipe that not only tastes incredible, but also helps support your body's natural ability to fight inflammation. Stay tuned. If you're someone who struggles with chronic pain, joint stiffness, or even constant fatigue, you know just how frustrating it can be. You've probably tried everything: medications, special diets, maybe even therapies. But the inflammation always seems to creep back up, right? It's that persistent problem that feels like it's always lurking, quietly affecting your day-to-day life in ways you can't control. But here's the thing. What if the solution to calming that inflammation was actually something as simple as a nutrient-packed dessert you can whip up at home? Sounds like wishful thinking, doesn't it? Well, stick around, because chia pudding might just be the game changer you've been waiting for in your fight against inflammation. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more simple, holistic health tips like this one. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. 1. What is chia pudding? Chia pudding is exactly what it sounds like. Chia seeds soaked in liquid until they absorb it and turn into a thick, creamy, pudding-like texture. Chia seeds, originally from Mexico and Guatemala, are tiny but incredibly nutritious. They're loaded with fiber, healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. But the real star of the show today is something they contain in abundance: anti-inflammatory compounds. When you mix chia seeds with any kind of milk, whether it's dairy or plant-based, the seeds soak up the liquid, expand, and create that smooth, delicious consistency we all love. But here's the big question. Why does this matter for inflammation? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into next. 2. How do chia seeds help with inflammation? Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which plays a key role in fighting inflammation. Omega-3s are well known for their ability to reduce certain markers in the body that trigger inflammation. This helps to reduce common symptoms like pain, stiffness, and swelling, making it a natural way to fight chronic inflammation. In fact, studies have shown that omega-3s can lower the levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, which is a key marker for inflammation. High CRP levels are often linked to conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. So, by adding chia seeds to your diet, you're actively working to reduce CRP, easing some of those uncomfortable symptoms like joint pain and swelling. 3. Other nutrients in chia pudding that fight inflammation. In addition to their omega-3s, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting your body from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to inflammation. Think of them as the bodyguards that help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells and tissues, leading to chronic inflammation. Chia seeds are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that's essential for muscle function and relaxation. Magnesium helps reduce muscle cramps and stiffness, which is often a result of inflammation. Plus, chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which is great for digestion and helps prevent inflammation in the gut. So, when you combine all these powerful nutrients, antioxidants, magnesium, and fiber, chia seeds become an ideal food choice for anyone dealing with chronic inflammation. The recipe: how to make chia pudding. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how do I actually use chia seeds to fight inflammation? Well, here comes the fun part, making chia pudding. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious batch that's packed with inflammation-fighting benefits. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or any milk you prefer, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of honey, or another sweetener of your choice, a pinch of cinnamon, optional, but it boosts the anti-inflammatory power. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the chia seeds and almond milk. Stir well to make sure there are no clumps and everything's evenly mixed. Add the vanilla extract, honey, and cinnamon, and mix everything together until it's smooth. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge for at least 3 hours, but overnight works even better if you want it extra thick and creamy. Once it's set, give it one last stir. Then, top it with your favorite fruits like fresh berries, banana slices, or even a sprinkle of turmeric for an added anti-inflammatory punch. And that's it. Simple, tasty, and full of nutrients that'll help your body fight off inflammation. Enjoy! So, chia pudding isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation. Packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, fiber, and magnesium, it's the perfect addition to your anti-inflammatory diet. Whether you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or just general inflammation, chia seeds can really help soothe your body and ease those uncomfortable symptoms naturally. But here's the thing: chia pudding isn't a magic fix. It's part of a bigger picture when it comes to managing inflammation. To get the best results, pair it with other anti-inflammatory foods, regular exercise, and some self-care. By taking this holistic approach, you'll be well on your way to feeling better and living a more energized, vibrant life. So, why not start today with this delicious, easy-to-make chia pudding? You've got nothing to lose, and your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with anyone you think could benefit from this inflammation-fighting chia pudding recipe. And if you want more natural health tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear how you plan to add chia seeds to your diet. Drop a comment below and let me know. Also, if there are any other inflammation-fighting foods you want me to cover in future videos, let me know. Thanks so much for watching.